Hey y'all, I wanted to get on here real quick and give you this tip. This is really, truly, my entire site is really for beginner bakers and my sons. So my sons can learn how to cook them some food, because I am a firm believer that if you got a mouth, you need to know how to feed yourself without going out to a restaurant. You need to know how to cook your own food. And so I wanted to put together some simple tips that could help you as you're out and about grocery shopping and you're trying to figure out what to eat. Let's say you want to bake something today and this is your first time baking whatever that thing is you want to bake. This is what I want to encourage you to do. This is a 5-pound bag of flour. Y'all don't need to be buying a 5-pound bag of flour unless you're planning on baking a whole lot, okay? And unless you're frying a whole bunch of chicken, okay? Start your process of cooking. They sell 2-pound bags of flour, which is smaller. Start your process of baking with a 2-pound bag of flour, because what's happening is I'm seeing on other social media platforms where people are showing people all the little bugs, the little weevils that's in their flour. And a couple things are happening. Number one, they don't have bay leaves in them to prevent the weevils from coming in. Or number two, they're not putting their flour in the refrigerator or the freezer. You can do either one of them. You can put them in the freezer, you can put them in the refrigerator, or you can put a bay leaf in them and those bugs won't come in. And so they're letting that flour sit in their pantry too long. Don't do that. Buy a 2-pound bag of flour as you're starting your baking and your cooking process off using flour. And then as you graduate within your own mind and you want to do more and more and more, then graduate to a bigger bag of flour, because this bag of flour has about 15 to 20 cups of flour. This is about 15 to 20 cups of flour in this bag, okay? And if you're not cooking and baking or using it for fried chicken or something like that on a regular basis, it's going to sit either in your pantry or your refrigerator or your freezer, okay? So I wanted to encourage you to just start with a 2-pound bag of flour. That's the tip that I got for y'all today. Y'all go out and make it a great day, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now.